Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another video. I got a haul, y'all, today. This is the last one for a hot minute because over the next few months I need to purchase a bit more furniture, so my money will be going there. But before we get started, I did my nails today. I don't know if they're coming off true to color. They're not on my monitor, but hopefully they are on the camera. So I did a hot pink and an aqua blue. And I wanted to share with you because I get a lot of questions. Now, before I was doing dip nail, which is acrylic powder, and I'm probably still going to do that, but I don't know if you guys saw my nails in the last video. For some reason, I've picked up the habit of chewing them again, which makes me so angry because I went like 5 years without doing that. So I bought these nails and they cover your entire nail. And you just look for full cover nail tips or whatever on Amazon. And I found this. This is a gel kit and it is from Beetles, and it came with 20 gel polishes. Now they're little. You know, you're not getting anything big. You get what you're paid for, really. But it comes with a base coat, a regular top coat, and then a matte top coat. And then I just had this little sensational not UV, I think this is LED lamp. But you have to cure the gel. So I always get questions about my nails for the most part when they're looking good. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you see this, that's my cup. I'm running kind of out of room right now. But so today we are doing finally my Simon Says Stamp haul. So this is the third and final haul from when I sold all my Stampin' Up stuff. So over the next little while, you're going to be seeing me use some of these sets. Now, I did get some stamp companies that are new to me, and I'll show you those as we go along. I got some old favorites. So yeah, so the first one is this one. This is Tentacuddles from Simon Says Stamp. This was part of their latest release. I could not stand how cute this little octopus is. He is so stinking cute, and he's like hugging Nemo. I cannot wait to color this. The little face, like I am a sucker for little faces. I miss Peachy Keen. I wish they were back in production, and if they are, let me know because I miss their faces so much. But anyway, so this is Tentacuddles, and again, this is all from Simon Says Stamp. I picked up the next Holiday Anya. I don't know if this one's this year or if this one was last year's, but it's Holiday Anya 7, and she's got a little gingerbread. And you guys know how I feel about gingerbread, so love it. I love her knit cap. I've loved all of their Holiday Anyas, and I've just recently started buying them, but so cute. Now this company is new to me. This is Polka Doodles. Look how cute that is. And so you get everything in the scene. So you get the girl, the little snowman, the little tree, and the little rabbit. And I think this was like $7. They didn't send an invoice with me. Let me see if I can find my order. Let's see. How much were you, little girl? She was $8.99, which isn't bad for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 brain, Misty, 4, and I think she's just so cute. So the next one is this Yeti from Stampin' Bella. Now they have a whole line of these Yetis that I cannot wait to get because look how stinking adorable he is. So this is wishing you an unbelievable birthday, and he has a little present, but he's gonna be so cute on Christmas cards. And they have a couple of Christmas ones. There's one where he's getting a gift. Hold on, guys. We have to see the Yetis. So hold on. Let me find them. You have to see these. You have to see all the Yeti. Look, so he's wrapped up in Christmas lights. He's with the elves, and he's like, oh my gosh. I mean, look at that. I mean, there's just, oh, I want all of them. And some of them, yeah, are more Christmas, but some of them can actually be birthday. Look at this one. This one makes me cry. Like, I get teary-eyed because it's just like, you know, Yeti, he looks scary, but really he's not, and he's just so cute. And I guess these are coordinating dies. But yeah, and there's a couple of Yeti stamp sets. Look at this one with his cheeks. Oh my word. I want to set up a donation so I can get some Yeti stamps. But anyway, I just thought he was so cute. And I do have some Stampin' Bellas. They're more for Valentine's Day. But we'll definitely get to those, and you'll definitely be seeing this Yeti for sure. So the next one I got is Hefty Doodle, and this is their Happily Ever Crafter. And I got the coordinating dies. Fun fact, Cinderella is my absolute favorite Disney movie. Like, I love it. I could watch it 1,000 times. I have all the songs memorized. Even the very first song that nobody realizes is a song from Cinderella. I absolutely love it. So this stamp set just reminds me of it so much, especially with the carriage, because I don't know if any other princess has a carriage. Well, guys will have to let me know. I haven't watched any, like I haven't watched a princess movie since Moana, I don't think. Is that the last one? I don't know. But it's got the castle, it's got the little guy, it's got the girl. This could be for a prom, this could be for a wedding, this could be for a quinceanera. Quinceanera, did I say that correctly? I'm sorry if I didn't. But so, you know, Sweet 16, this could be for a whole lot of things, but I just thought it was so stinking cute. And I've got the coordinating dies. So it doesn't look like I bought a lot, but I spent a lot because I got the coordinating dies. And I mentioned in my last couple of hauls that I do have a Cameo. Unfortunately, it's not set up right now, but as soon as it is, then I will see if I can do print and cut. So this is the next one, and this one's called First Snow. From Hello Bluebird, and oh my word, I know you guys saw me get 1,000 little animals the other day, but oh my, look at this one. Like this, they do animals so good, so good. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to color up these little animals. So cute. They're birds. They have a little bird set that's been out of stock. I have to see if I can find it on eBay, but that was just adorable. And of course, got the matching dies. Sugar Pea Designs. Sugar Pea Designs is new to me, and I could have gone hog wild, but I decided on this one. I thought this was so stinking cute. I love robots. I think I had another robot stamp set. I don't think I do right now. But it's even got a little doggy. And they've got 2 in dresses and 2 without dresses. My heart beeps for you. You're just a love machine. Thanks a bot. You compute me. Beep and gear up for some fun on your birthday. I thought that was really, really cute. And last but not least is one that I said I wanted, and I couldn't remember if I ordered, and I did. Ta-da! This is Christmas Squad. This is the one Steinman Says Stamp did with Doodlebug back in 2017. So look, this cat is the whole reason why I wanted this stamp set. I just love it. I just think it's so stinking cute. I love the gingerbread. You guys know that. I love Santa and Mrs. Claus, the tree, and the sentiment. Christmas is claws for celebration. Squad goes, hey cutie, thanks, Merry Christmas. All I want for Christmas is cookies and you. Basically everything sweet. From our squad to yours, Merry Christmas. I just think it's so cute, and I got the coordinating dies. So I think I'm most excited for this and the Yeti, and I'm excited about all of them. And like I said, I'm gonna have to stop buying for a little bit so I can actually, you know, play like I want to. But you guys let me know which one you love the most down below and which one you're most excited about seeing. I cannot wait to get more Yetis for sure. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. This video is going up at a new time, so I'm gonna try 12 p.m. Central Time uploads. So right now we're in daylight time, so it's Central Daylight Time. So that's 1 Eastern, 10 Mountain, and 9 Pacific. And those will be the Mountain and the Pacific. Wait, right? That's not right. 12 Central, 11 Mountain, 10 Pacific, 1 Eastern. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and thank you so much for all of your sweet comments on the last few videos. I'm so excited. This is your last chance to leave me questions. They can be personal, they can be about crafting, whatever you want to know. I will be filming the Q&A at some point this week. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you. Like I said, this all came from Simon Says Stamp. You can purchase Stampin' Battle. I think you can actually purchase all of these from their site. But anyway, that's it guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.